Winds and heavy rains damaged parts of Queensland and the Northern Territories of Australia. Meanwhile, UCLA Medical Center warns that 179 patients have possibly been exposed to the superbug from equipment used during endoscopies. Kristine Domingo will tell us why.
In Australia, 2 cyclones hit Australia's northeast, bringing damaging winds and heavy rains to parts of Queensland and the Northern Territories. Tropical Cyclone Marcia was upgraded to a Category 5 storm overnight and was downgraded to 4 by morning. Reports said it is still recording winds gusting at more than 200 kilometers or 125 miles per hour as it tracks south along the Queensland coast. According to local media reports, Tropical Cyclone Lam pounded remote island communities in the Northern Territories, causing widespread damage before making landfall and being downgraded to a Category 2 storm. Prime Minister Tony Abbott said the government was ready to offer all possible assistance to the emergency services and said that the standard natural disaster recovery arrangements were in place. In America, a large Los Angeles public hospital has notified scores of patients that they were possibly exposed to a drug-resistant bacterial superbug. This may have happened during endoscopy procedures that infected 7 patients and may have contributed to 2 deaths. UCLA officials said the 179 patients who may have been infected by the carbapenem-resistant Enterobacteriaceae are being offered home testing kits that would be analyzed by the University of California, Los Angeles hospital system. The possible exposures occurred at the UCLA Ronald Reagan Medical Center between October and January during procedures in which a specialized endoscope is inserted down the throat to diagnose and treat pancreatic and bile duct diseases.
We don't entirely know exactly where the bacteria are on the scopes. I think that's fair to say. But I think the investigation was pretty clear that it came from the scopes themselves.
Superbug infections are difficult to treat because some of the bacteria have become resistant to antibiotics. Kristine Domingo reporting for Y News.